This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make soup at home with a soup packet. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need your soup packet, the correct amount of water, and a saucepan. Always start by reading the instructions on your specific packet. Then, empty the dry soup mix completely into your saucepan, preparing for the next step. Now, it's time to add the liquid. Carefully measure the water as directed on your packet and pour it into the saucepan with the soup mix. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring there are no lumps and the powder is completely dissolved. Once mixed, place the saucepan on your stovetop and begin heating it over a medium flame, stirring occasionally. As your soup heats, bring it to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for the time specified on the packet, usually around 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This ensures all ingredients are properly cooked and flavors meld. Once ready, pour your hot soup into a bowl and enjoy your quick, comforting meal. Want to elevate your packet soup? Consider adding some fresh ingredients. A sprinkle of chopped fresh herbs, like parsley or cilantro, can brighten the flavor. For a more substantial meal, stir in some leftover cooked vegetables or a small amount of shredded chicken. A swirl of cream or a few croutons on top can also add a nice touch before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.